Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to create invoices and credit notes in Invent ERP, while ensuring they are compliant with ZATCA regulations. Let's get started. From Quick Links, click New Invoice. This will open the invoice form. Choose your customer, whether it's a person or a company, and start filling in the invoice details. Then scroll down to the invoice items section and add the products or services you want to bill. Once everything looks good, click Create to generate the invoice. The invoice will first appear in draft mode, so take a moment to review all the information carefully. If everything looks correct, click Confirm. Once confirmed, the system will take a few seconds to process the invoice through ZATCA. Within seconds, your invoice will either be accepted with a warning, or rejected by ZATCA, in which case you will need to review the issue and resubmit the invoice. You can also view all your invoices in the invoice list, where rejected invoices will be clearly highlighted in red. Now let's create a credit note for one of our invoices. From the invoice, click Credit Note. Start filling in the credit note details. Choose the appropriate ZATCA predefined refund reason. Then add the refund date. Once everything is filled in, click Create Refund. The credit note will appear in draft mode. Review the details, and if everything looks correct, click Confirm. The system will take a few seconds to submit the credit note to ZATCA. And within moments, you'll be able to see whether the credit note was accepted with a warning, or rejected.